begin.
Hello everyone, I am 𝗩𝗶𝗵𝗿𝗺 from Datasheets. Today I am going to demonstrate project name Footstep power generation using piezoelectric sensors. So in this project we are using piezoelectric sensors, battery, voltage booster, 3 batteries connected in series, bulb 220 volt 15 watt, step up transformer, MOSFETs, timer circuit, microcontroller, LCD, power up module, capacitors and resistance and LED. So I will start with the piezoelectric sensor. So in piezoelectric sensor, power is generated when mechanical stress is applied. So if we tap, you will see this LED will glow. Okay, I will show every practical afterwards. Let me first finish the component part. So these piezoelectric sensors are connected with battery, which is charging this battery, and this battery is of 4 volt. Okay, and this battery voltage is boosted to 18 volt using this voltage booster, and this voltage is given to these battery, which is of 12 volt. It will be getting charged by the higher potential, and this higher potential is connected to inverter circuit. Here we are using inverter circuit. We are using a timer here, CD4047, and this timer is giving output to these MOSFET. So these MOSFET alternatively turning on, which will generate AC signal, and that AC signal will be boosted to 220 volt. So 12 volt is inverted to 220 volt AC, DC to AC using this inverter. Then here we are using Arduino microcontroller. Arduino microcontroller we are using because we need to calculate the steps. So if we press these sensors, you see steps will be increasing. Its step will increase according to the tapping. Okay, and this is the voltage generated by piezoelectric sensors. Okay, so this one is the working of this part, and this is our inverter circuit. So this project is for mainly engineering student, and some hobbyists like some school student also can make this project if they want to show in some presentation in exhibition. Mainly I made this for engineering student like 3rd year, 4th year, EC electrical. So they can target this project. It's a good project for your major project. Okay, and guys, thank you so much for watching the video. For more details, please check description, and I have added one link in the description in which you can see how to make this part, this one DIY, and this part I have added in the video. Okay, so I will update in the link. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.